Vivo S1 with Helio p65 SoC, triple cameras, and 32MP selfie shooter launched in India. While its sister brand Realme is steadily taking over the budget and mid-range segment, Vivo doesn't want to be sitting ducks. Hardly a month after the unveiling of the Vivo Z1 Pro, the Chinese giant is back with another new mid-range smartphone, the Vivo S1. It comes equipped with the Helio p65 chipset, the first device to boast the same, a Super AMOLED display, in-display fingerprint scanner, triple cameras, and more. Vivo S1, price and availability. The Vivo S1 has been priced starting at 17,990 rupees for the 4GB plus 128GB base variant. You will, however, have to shell out 18,990 rupees for the 6GB plus 64GB and 19,990 rupees for the 6GB plus 128GB variants. It will be available in two fancy color variants, namely Diamond Black and Skyline Blue. It will go on sale from August 8, i.e. tomorrow, online and offline. Vivo S1, specs and features. The Chinese giant places a lot of focus on the design of the Vivo S1, offering you a 2.5D curved glass finish and some attractive gradient finishes. It sports a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Halo full-view display, with a waterdrop notch design and a 19.59 aspect ratio. It boasts 90% screen-to-body ratio and 98% DCI-P3 color gamut support. There's also an in-display fingerprint sensor as compared to the physical one on the Vivo Z1 Pro. Moving on to the internals, this is the world's first smartphone to be powered by MediaTek Helio p65 chipset that's based on the 12nm node process. It's coupled with up to 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. Vivo S1 launched in India. In the camera department, Vivo S1 comes equipped with a triple rear camera setup that includes a 16MP primary lens, an 8MP ultrawide lens with 120° FOV, and a 2MP depth sensor. This is the same camera setup as the Vivo Z1 Pro that was launched a few months back in India. It also houses a 32MP selfie camera in the waterdrop notch. Vivo S1 runs on FunTouch OS 9, based on Android 9 Pie, and it's packed with many handy features. I especially like the PUBG Mobile countdown timer, screen gestures, and other features. It also packs a massive 4,500 mAh battery with support for 18W dual-engine fast charging via the micro USB port onboard. Yeah, the micro USB port continues to live on. So, would you be interested in buying the Vivo S1? Tell us in the comments below.